Hello, we're back again after a long disappearance. Here we are. So it's silage season, everyone else is at it, so we're just getting the yolks ready. Currently halfway washing the loading shovel. We don't know what it's going to do this year. It's either going to go on the wrapper or it's going to go on the bale handler. We made this new thing. Okay, I'll just likes taking 2 bales at one time with the loading shovel, so he made this little bracket to hold the bales. It was fine, it was working grand last year, and then it broke. It definitely wasn't me. It was me. So he has, yeah, it's just a standard carrier. He just welded the bracket onto it. Nothing crazy. It does the job. It's only to hold the bale. You know, like there's no pressure on the bale. It's only just in case it falls back on the loader. So yeah, cleaning the loader. I cleaned the 20 already, and I think you didn't see it in the other video. It got new tires. It's not very clean. I can't clean for shit. So yeah, but it got new tires, got new sets. What is on the front of it? 54, 65, 30s. So 54 is this weight, I think. And then 65 is this bit. And then 30 is your diameter of your rim, I think. Yeah. Well, I know that R30 is the radius of the rim. So that's what these are on the front. So it's 540, 65s, 30s. And then on the back, sorry, I went for 650s, 65, 40s. That's actually 42. And yeah, like the original back tires were on it for the 10,000 hours. The original Michelins, and they stayed on it. Now they were bald. They're so bald. But yeah. I'm going to keep cleaning. We might pull the baler on that out today, depending on how things go. And you can see that, I guess. And you can see us servicing balers and that, getting them ready. Now, all lovely and clean. So we're halfway there. So you're clean, you're next, and then the 180's next. But I'm going to get my dinner first. We're taking the dive feeder up to the spot where the mower is. So he's just get to hear this start. For a cold start, if it works. We're not in gear. Right. Holy. Look at that, now about it. Now about that. Yeah, now she's awake. Whoa! Oh. We have to lift the linkage arms, which I can't. There we go. And then I think that puts. Right here, Joe. It's 66. So End is away to get the mower. I'm going to put this. I put the little case in there, in this little pen for the summer. Fertilizer here, fertilizing spreader here. Tractor out there, wash it. Yeah. Mower's here. Yeah. Now, mower clean. Have to put on the sprayer. So I have to take this off. Welcome back to another day. Now, that's the wrapper and the baler out. So there, you're there, you're there. Yeah. Oh. Well, the combine won't start, so have to give her a jump start. Get the bale handlers out under it. Round 2. And I missed them. And that's us ready to go for tomorrow. Brakes on. Have to put diesel in this. Sorry, my phone rang. So yeah, baler and 180 is ready to go. This is ready to go, and this is ready to go. Even though I didn't clean my windows, but it will do for tomorrow because it's only 2 fields tomorrow. It's nothing crazy. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or whatever, and look after yourself, you know. It's a crazy world out there, so good luck. Good morning. So as you can see, there was a full video there and we're only halfway. What does that mean? That means the fella that recorded the stuff yesterday was too lazy to put it up today. So yeah, so you're gonna get the raking and the baling today. End is gone with the bale already. It's nothing crazy. It's only ought to be 100 bales on it. There's only 2 fields. It won't even be 100. What am I saying? How could it be 50? I'd say, but sure, look, it has to be done for the grass. So we're going to go and rake that and see what happens then. First field completed pretty well. I don't know, it's bales. I can't show you too much. I have the GoPro on. It's gonna look shite, but you're looking at the ground. There's the end of baling. Yeah, that's a baler. I don't know. Yeah. Next field. So that's all it done. What is it, 60 on it? 65. And for a first cut. Okay. Yeah. What are you saying? The light? Why are you saying that? I don't light, yeah, no bother. Solid as a rock. Make sure that squares in. What difference? You're gonna make vipers, like it's not gonna move. So this is actually the end of the video now. So thank you for watching again, and look after yourself, like I said. And sure, look at, if you have any questions, let me know. See you in the next one. Well, it'll probably be our own grass, or it mightn't. Who knows? Oh, you might come for a surprise. We're going to collect something, so we might do that next week. Good luck. This is how you test, see if the grass is fit or not. He can fit through it, not fit. Come on. Come on.
You can't walk.
You're done. That's enough.